So right now, we're having a Lynx module that's not having power to it. One of the first things to remember before trying to get power on or make sure there's any issues is you want to make sure there's no power across all lines, because when you put power on, you might damage the module further if it's not damaged before. So one of the main things to make sure is if the module is seated correctly. So you would want to press down and firmly hear 2 clicks where each side comes on. So there, that wasn't part of the issue. We have a high alarm, but that's normal if it hasn't been running while other jackets have been running. Another issue you might find is if these were installed and they weren't connected. So you would want to make sure that power's off and make sure all connections are properly put on. You'll hear a click again, and just to make sure that you have power all across